Hi there, welcome to Learn Guitar with Drew. Today we're going to take a look at this classic Elvis Presley song, Can't Help Falling in Love. Let's take a look. All right, so you'll notice I'm cabling the second fret. I've got the clamp right there on that guy on the second fret. Here we go. So here's the chords for the song. We have C, and E minor, and A minor, and then F, and C, and G, F, G, A minor, then F, C, then G, and then C. Now, I guess I should say, of course, I'm calling this a C. It's actually a D. When you capo the second fret, it moves everything up a whole step. So C is actually D. This is actually F sharp minor, not E minor. We're going to call it the form of what we're playing with the capo. It's much easier to think that way. So the song's in 3/4 time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each measure, I'll do a strum. And then we're going to hear what it sounds like going through the song. If you're having trouble with these chord transitions, here's a video right here to help you learn how to do chord transitions better and more smoothly. It's sort of an art form in itself to be able to go through these chord changes easily. So now I'm going to put a strumming pattern into this. I'm going to go down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Here we go. A couple times there I did down, down, up, down, up. That's just a little trickier. Same idea. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. You want to accent 1 for each measure. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. I'm going to do that slowly. To learn how to strum with a little more articulation, take a look at this video right here on the channel about the art of the strum and how to make this sound more musical. All right, so for the bridge of this song, we have E minor and this B7 chord. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. We also introduced A7 and this D minor form to G. So the bridge goes 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, repeat the bridge again, and then there's another verse at the end of the song. So basically, that's the whole song. We have C, 2, 3, A minor, F, C, G. What a great song, right? Very good songwriting on this one. So we have the 1 chord in the key, 3 chord, 6 chord, 4, 1, 5, and 4, 5, 6, 4, 1, 5, 1. If you're enjoying this lesson on how to play Can't Help Falling in Love with You by Elvis Presley, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications for the next time I upload a song video like this one. So the bridge kind of goes off the rails here a little bit. Kind of go to the key of E minor. That's the 5 chord for E minor. It's E harmonic minor actually, because it's the raised 7. E minor, E minor. It's A7, something called a secondary dominant. It's the 5 of D minor, which is the 2 chord of C. We're going back to the home key again. G is the 5 chord. So kind of play off the 3 chord and we're in a different key. A7 is actually going to be the 5 of D minor. It's a really cool compositional device. He's working his way, cycling back to the home key again. A7 is the 5 of D minor, which is the 2 of G, which takes you back to 1 again. So if you followed that, that's great. If not, that's okay too. Just really know that the song has phenomenal songwriting involved. It's just such a great, timeless progression. Phenomenal melody. Okay, so let's go through these chords one more time slowly. C, E minor, A minor, F, C, G, F, G, A minor, F, C, G, C. Bridge was E minor to B7, E minor, B7, E minor, B7, E minor, A7, D minor, G. All right, what a phenomenal song. There's a look at how to play Can't Help Falling in Love with You by Elvis Presley. The writing is impeccable. The melody is beautiful. Lots of fun. You can play this in front of your friends and family, at the campfire, or wherever you feel like taking your guitar and rocking out. Okay, thanks so much. I'll see you at the next lesson.